Flames is a fun game you can play with your friends to predict whether your crush is right for you. The acronym FLAMES stands for friends, lovers, affectionate, marriage, enemies, and siblings. To play the game, first write your name and your crush's name on a piece of paper. Then, cross off any letters that your names share. Total the number of leftover letters between each of your names. Now, write down flames on the piece of paper. Starting with F, count through the letters until your count reaches the total number of leftover letters you tallied up. Whatever letter you land on is the type of relationship you and your crush will have in the future. For example, if you had 7 leftover letters, you would stop counting on F. That means you and your crush will be friends.